Hi guys, this is Group 14. We're going to present about HDFC Bank Secure Online Banking. My group members are Honorable Sean Kumar Reddy, Palana Anurag, Vinay Kumar Akula, Tejo Vinay Kumar Nayak, Chikoy Samat Kumar. Coming to the key facts, Indian banking industry consists of five types of banks, and all those banks are regulated by Reserve Bank of India. HDFC Bank commenced its operations in Jan 1995. It's headquartered in Mumbai as a result of banking liberalization measures instituted by the federal government of India. HDFC Bank started offering online banking services soon after RBI established the guidelines on internet banking in June 2001. HDFC had no legacy or baggage to cope with, so it operated in a highly automated information technology environment, and all the branches were linked to one another online. HDFC Bank was focused on semi-urban and underbanked markets with 65% of its branches located outside the top nine Indian cities. HDFC Bank used adaptive risk modeling for the online transaction, which is one of the internal risk management models, and most of those models were technology intensive. Mobile banking was gaining ground worldwide as a result of that. In India, the number of mobile subscribers had grown steadily from 165 million for the year ending March 2008. Phishing had first become evident in Indian banking in late 2006, and HDFC Bank was the fourth Indian bank to encounter it. For the sake of customer convenience, from the bank's point of view, every online transaction, irrespective of such variables as size of transaction, would have to go through standard checks. In offline banking, dormant accounts were a common phenomenon where they did not pose no particular hazard to the bank on the principle of no usage, no fund. Coming to the key issues, what kind of measures need to be taken in addressing the following issue? This is an issue of dealing with customers who are registered for online banking but conducted their transactions over the counter. The Chief Security Officer of the HDFC is worried, saying that how do I ensure the security of online transaction while still keeping the customer convenience as a priority? Should I make a secure access mandatory or should I leave it discretionary? Should I go for an on-site model or a cloud model? And third key issue, what kind of measures should be taken by HDFC to prevent attacks from the fishes? Alternative course of action for the key issue 1. Banks should make awareness more about online banking among the customers, developing a new type of application for internet banking which is user friendly, replace the present system or upgrade the legacy system. Out of these course of actions, I would suggest and I would recommend the following course of action. Banks should make awareness about online banking among the customers. Why? Because customers will be more comfortable to interact with the system if they are aware about the system. The bank will be gaining more trust among the customers. The bank can maintain its business continuity as it can attract and retain its customers. This course of action does not cost more for the bank to implement when compared to other actions. The key issue 2 has the following course of actions. HDFC should establish proxy servers. They should lease the cloud from a strong vendor or provider, and it should let the customers to process transactions through the voice calls by their cell phones. Out of these course of actions, I would recommend HDFC should establish proxy servers. Why? Because the security should be ensured for an online banking, and the phishing attacks should be identified and caught if only they are diverted towards a duplicate server or proxy. As RSA already monitoring the online banking, they also can identify the fishes as they try to access the data on server which is proxy to HDFC and seems urgent to the attackers. Coming to the key issue 3, the alternative course of actions are banks should maintain compound servers to store data of consumers' information, the customer's information. The customer should be educated or aware about different forms of phishing. Banks should maintain trustworthy relationship with the customers. Out of these course of actions, I recommend customers should be educated or aware about the different forms of phishing. Why? Because it is the first and foremost step that is needed to be done to protect customers from these kind of fraudulent attacks. By this, customers can protect themselves from liabilities of attacks. Customers will be more cautious and most of the loss can be recovered. Most of the customers will be comfortable to perform banking through online or mobile. Thank you.